for a call for action scam busters.
And tonight we're talking with the IRS about tax scams.
They just released their annual list of dirty dozen tax scams.
And joining us, Christopher Miller with the IRS in Milwaukee. Thanks a lot for being back with us tonight.
Thank you.
Good to be with you.
Okay, so you got a list of dirty dozen tax scams. What's number one on this list?
ID theft, as it relates to our taxes. Of course, you know, ID theft can affect all sorts of people's lives in different areas. Their tax account is one of them. Now, we're making some progress. We have doubled the number of people that are working on these cases, and we also have new filters in place that can stop fraudulent refund claims before they ever go out the door. Last year, we stopped $20 billion in fraudulent refund claims, and that's a significant increase over last year. So we're making progress, but we want people to be wary nonetheless.
Now, if someone is a victim of ID tax theft, what can they do?
Well, if you think that your information's been compromised, maybe you lost your wallet or it's been stolen, we want you to contact the IRS so that we can put a red flag on your account. We have a specialized unit set up to deal with this crime alone. And they're going to try to secure your tax account. So call us on a toll-free number that we have on our website, and we're going to set it up so that you're secure.
What are some of the other items on this dirty dozen list?
Well, tax preparer fraud is another one.
Really?
And now let's point out, the vast majority of tax professionals are honest and credible, but not all.
Yeah,
and we want people to be on the lookout for tips to choose a tax preparer, like make sure they have a preparer tax identification number issued by the IRS. This is relatively new. So we want to make sure that they put it on your return and make sure that they sign the tax return. Believe it or not, some of them don't. You want their name on there just as much as your name is on there to show that you validate that information.
And how do you get that number? I mean, you just tell them, give me your tax
you just
number?
say, I want to see your IRS issued preparer identification number. And so make sure that they have it. Also, be wary of people who say that they're going to give you a huge refund. Or maybe they promise that they're going to give you a refund based on a percentage of that. And that's always a red flag.
Good idea. Always got to be careful, especially when you're dealing with your Social Security number and other important financial information.
But good information. Christopher Miller from the IRS in Milwaukee. We appreciate you being with us this evening.
Okay,
thank you very much.
By the way, we put the full Dirty Dozen list on our website, tmj4.com/Wisconsin Tonight.